Accessories include a DJI Pocket 2 mini control stick that connects to the universal point to control gimbal rotation, an Osmo Pocket smartphone adapter to connect smartphones with Type-C port, Lightning for connecting Apple smartphones, a tripod mount to attach to the bottom of DJI Pocket 2 and connect to the quarter-inch tripods for placing the set on surface, a wrist strap to be attached to the lanyard hole on the side of the DJI Pocket 2 for drop prevention. Besides these accessories, DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo has the following accessories: a DJI Pocket 2 Do-It-All handle that integrates wireless module, wireless mic receiver, an external speaker, a DJI wireless microphone transmitter that has built-in omnidirectional microphone, a DJI wireless microphone windscreen as a cover for the DJI wireless microphone, a micro tripod to mount to the tripod mount, or the Do-It-All handle. Once unfolded, it can place DJI Pocket 2 on surface. A DJI Pocket 2 wide-angle lens to increase the field of vision, a DJI USB splitter charging cable, Type A to Type C, to charge DJI Pocket 2 and DJI wireless microphone transmitter. Before activating DJI Pocket 2, please download and install DJI MIMO app. Press and hold the power button on the right side to turn on, remove the cover, and connect your smartphone to DJI Pocket 2 with Lightning or USB-C smartphone adapter, according to the phone type. The DJI MIMO app will automatically launch on your phone. Enable Get Device Info to give the server access to activation information of the device. Tap Next and log in or sign up for a DJI account. After login, tap Activation. After successful activation, the app will prompt Activation Success. Tap Done, and you are ready to embark on your vlog journey. Go one step further and purchase or activate the DJI Care Refresh plan for affordable replacements with Express and more exclusive benefits. DJI Pocket 2 comes with a power button, a shutter record button, and a function button. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to power on. Press the function button once to quickly switch between video and photo mode. In camera view, you can tap the camera icon on the bottom left corner to set photo ratio and countdown timer. Press the shutter record button to take a photo. In video mode, you can tap the recording icon on the bottom left to set the resolution and frame rate. After the settings, press the shutter record button to take a video. During shooting, press and hold the shutter record button to stop recording. Press the button once to take another video. Press the function button twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to switch the camera between facing forward and backward. Press and hold to completely lock the gimbal. The touchscreen displays battery level, shooting mode, and micro SD card information. Scroll the slider on the right to control pitch and zoom. Swipe left on the touchscreen to enter settings of the shooting mode, and swipe up or down to select a shooting mode among panorama, photo, video, slow motion, and time-lapse. Swipe left again to adjust parameters in different modes. Then press the function button once to go back to the previous interface, or press the shutter record button once to return to the camera view. Swipe right in the camera view to the playback interface. Scroll the screen to view footages and photos. Swipe right to add favorites or delete the file. You can select multiple files by tapping on the Batch Select icon and swipe right to operate. Swipe down on the touchscreen to enter settings. Here, you can set the slider on the right to pitch control or zoom control. If it is set as pitch control, slide up and down in the camera view to control the tilt axis. If it is set as zoom control, slide up and down to change the zoom. Tap the settings icon to enter the settings interface, where you can adjust parameters for DJI Pocket 2 and accessories. Tap the Glamour effects icon to turn on or off the function. In the camera mode, you can choose Ultra High Pixel. In the video mode, you can switch between high quality and battery saver. Tap the Pro settings icon to enable Pro mode. Swipe up on the touchscreen to enter gimbal settings. You can choose between recenter, flip, slow follow, fast follow, and tilt locked FPV.